Hello, it's just an update. I'm always buying and selling stuff, but this is my latest holdings. I made a play on the Japanese yen futures, and I'm basically maxed out on my profit. I made a small play. It was like $100, risking $130. I made $37. Here, I just made an oil play right now. I made an iron condor, and if you can look at the chart, what I do is I don't want oil to go down to 76, and I don't want it to go above 88. And for that, I collected about $90 potential profit. I have 8 days out. I just made it like 10 minutes ago, so it's losing now. I have a S&P 500 futures play expired today. Maxed out on my profit on that, 122. Apple, I made a play yesterday. This expires in 8 days. I'm already making $50 of the possible 191 profit. So 26% of the 191. And then I have this is a random play on GSAT because GSAT was supplying satellite service to Apple, that company Apple. So I bought 300 shares, and then I sold the option to somebody else. Or it's 120 days out. It doesn't expire until January, but all I'm going to do is just wait till I get $10 or $15 profit and sell that out. Right now I'm making $4, have a potential $82 profit. And I bought this one as insurance, $12, just in case this goes past $2. I can recover some of the profit that I would have missed. So I have 300 shares, and I'm averaged in. I bought some at like two something, and then below $2 a share. So right now it's 167 a share, and I'm not really worried about this one. It's just some side. I'm keeping $500 or so aside as a reserve. So, and then I have it. Actually, I have the SPY play, which is the smaller version of the ES, and I think I made this play tonight or maybe this morning. And what I did is expires tomorrow. What I did is I was betting that the SPY index is not going to go above 378, and I'm looking at the price now. It doesn't look like it's going to, by tomorrow it's going to be dropping more, so we're going to be safe on this. So, and then my last play on my tote board is TLT, the 10-year bonds. And what I did is I was losing on this play, so what I did is I sold the. No, what I did is I bought, hoping that it's going to go up, but it went down. So then what I did is to recover some of the money I would be losing, is that I sold another person a call at 108.5 and collected $32. So I'm not going to touch this play. I'm going to let it expire worthless, and I'm going to be losing the $13. So I can't do anything about this. So, but I just sold $32 back, so I was only going to lose $13 instead of 40 or 35 or $40. So that's the only reason I did that play. So again, this is the wrap up. It's 9:41 p.m. September 22, 2022. Japanese yen, oil, S&P 500 futures, Apple, GSAT, SPY, and TLT. All right.